Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to delete all reposts on TikTok. And right here, I'm currently inside my TikTok account. So I'm going to show you right here, once you're going to be on your profile, just click on the upper lower right section to go to your profile. Once you're here, click the upper three lines right there to go to settings. I want you to go to settings and privacy for this one. Now once you're here, go all the way down and look for the one that says report in about. So we're gonna go for report a problem for this one. Now, these are gonna be a lot of choices. Now, I suggest choose the one that's closest to your problem. So since our problem for this one is deleting all reposts on TikTok, I'm gonna type for this on search bar. Right there is video missing. Now for video missing, I'm gonna go for music sound or missing sound for this one. Now I have this one right there. Just type in here no. And then click more need more help. And basically for this one, we're going to talk to a TikTok support. Now for this one, what you want to do is basically type in here what you want. And basically here, I accidentally, let's just say, I'm going to type in here accidentally reposted a lot of videos. And then we're going to tell them, please help me delete them all. Easy as that. We're going to ask help for a TikTok support to delete everything because there is no actual way for it to delete all at once, especially if there are hundreds or even thousands of repost videos. So just let TikTok support do it for you with one go. And basically for this one, you'll be good to go. And basically, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.